Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can use laptop's RAM into your desktop. This is laptop RAM made by Samsung, 8GB DDR3, and this RAM I will plug in this socket. But how we can do that? It's very easy. You can purchase this one online in AliExpress or buy on this any of those. This is the DDR3 desktop to DDR3 laptop adapter, and it's so easy to use. You can just plug in the laptop RAM like this, and just pop it like that, and it's in the place. It's very easy, and then you can put it like this, and it's ready to go. And I will turn computer, and now we see how it works on the monitor. We go on Task Manager. I'm going to Performance, and you can see I have 8GB of memory in use, and it's working very well. I tried to play some games and some stuff, and it's going very well. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe because some new videos and very interesting are coming soon. And see you later.